Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. Welcome to this week's What's on the Whiteboard. I am so glad that you're here. This week, I am going to tell you the secret to being an effective fundraiser. It comes down to one thing, and I'm not joking. It is just one thing. That one thing, empathy. Empathy. If you can feel what your donors are feeling and feel what those who are benefiting from your organization are feeling, and you can marry those two together, you are going to be an effective fundraiser. I'm not talking about sympathy, I'm talking about empathy. Can you feel the emotions that your donors are feeling as they're making a decision, whether it's in a face-to-face ask or if it is in an appeal that they're reading or hearing over the phone or in your donor relations communications, whatever it is, if you can feel what they're feeling, you are going to be an incredibly effective fundraiser. This doesn't mean to just put it all in the donor's court and, oh, all we need to do is make them feel good. You need to ask. You need to make sure that you have all the information and they have all the information they need to make an informed decision. But you need to feel what they're feeling, and that will help you be the most effective fundraiser you can be. Thanks so much for watching this week. Hey, head on over to NicholsGPS.com, sign up for my monthly newsletters. I think you're going to really enjoy it, and I will see you next week back here. What's on the Whiteboard? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.